Last summer, I dropped an entire tray of perfectly marinated steaks straight onto my patio dirt. Why? Because I was trying to balance a heavy cutting board on a tiny, flimsy side shelf. Choosing the right grill island is incredibly frustrating when half the stuff online rusts out in a week or wobbles when you chop an onion. Well, I spent the last few months testing the most popular options so you do not have to make the same expensive mistakes. Let me explain which ones actually survive a real backyard barbecue. 6. Royal Gourmet Outdoor Garden Patio BBQ Kitchen Food Prep Table Cart. When I first pulled this out of the box, I thought it had some serious potential. It features a stainless steel tabletop that reflects the sun nicely and looks fairly decent from a distance. You know, it gives off that commercial kitchen vibe, which is always appealing when you're trying to upgrade your backyard setup. But then I actually started putting it together and things went downhill fast. I mean, the metal pieces felt incredibly thin in my hands. As I tightened the screws, I was genuinely worried I might bend the frame. Once it was fully assembled, I pushed it out onto the patio, and the whole structure had a noticeable wobble that just screamed cheap manufacturing. Testing it with actual food was another story completely. I placed a heavy 10-pound pork shoulder on the top shelf, and the cart visibly flexed under the weight. Chopping vegetables felt like trying to perform surgery on the tiny rocking boat. Every slice of the knife made the table shake, which is just incredibly annoying when you're trying to prep a big meal for your family. Then there's the open shelving design. Well, in theory, having open shelves sounds great for grabbing tongs or plates quickly. In reality, out in a backyard, those shelves are just a massive magnet for dust, pollen, and the occasional stray leaf. I found myself having to wash my clean platters all over again before actually using them to serve food. 5. BBQMall Outdoor Kitchen Island. Moving slightly up the ladder, we have this 3-shelf rolling cart. On paper, it promises a lot of utility with dedicated spaces for your griddle gear. I liked the initial concept of having tiered storage for different stages of cooking. However, my testing revealed some glaring issues pretty quickly. You know, when you're out there flipping burgers, you want your setup to feel totally anchored to the ground. This cart relies heavily on its caster wheels, and frankly, they're just way too small for outdoor use. I tried rolling it across a standard paver patio, and the wheels kept catching on every single groove. I mean, rolling this thing over actual grass is an absolute nightmare. It requires 2 people to drag it safely without tipping your expensive griddle right off the top. The top surface also gave me some serious pause. It is painted metal, and after just a few sessions of moving a hot cast iron pan around, I noticed deep scratches exposing the bare steel underneath. Well, we all know exactly what happens to bare steel left outside. Within 2 weeks of normal summer weather, a light dusting of rust started creeping right into those scratches. You really have to stay on top of the maintenance with this one. It basically forces you to buy a custom cover and use it religiously every single night. A good outdoor island should take away your stress, not add to it. 4. Mont Alpi Modular Outdoor Kitchen Islands. Now we are finally stepping into the big leagues. When I unboxed the Mont Alpi components, I could immediately feel the massive difference in quality. This is where you stop buying flimsy carts and start actually building a permanent outdoor oasis. Here is what matters most with this specific setup. The modularity is absolutely fantastic. You can connect different pieces like puzzle blocks to fit your exact patio dimensions perfectly. I set up the corner unit with the sink module, and it completely transformed my dead patio space into a highly functional professional cooking zone. I mean, the countertops are simply stunning. They use a faux granite surface that looks incredibly high-end, but does not weigh a literal ton. When I was slamming down heavy trays of ribs or dropping cast iron skillets, the surface just laughed it off. No wobbles and definitely no annoying flexing. You know, storage is usually a complete afterthought on these islands, but Mont Alpi actually nailed it. The drawers slide on proper heavy metal tracks. They do not just scrape metal on metal like the cheaper options do. I packed those drawers with heavy grilling tools, wood chips, and leather gloves, and they still glided shut perfectly every single time. It completely bridges the gap between a standalone grill and a fully custom-built contractor kitchen. You get that premium built-in look without having to hire a masonry team to pour concrete in your backyard. 3. Charbroil Medallion Series Modular Outdoor Kitchen. Charbroil has been around forever, but this Medallion series honestly surprised me in the best way possible. They really paid attention to what real people actually need when they're standing over hot coals for 3 solid hours. The stainless steel on this unit is exceptionally thick and rigid. I bumped it hard with a full heavy keg of beer while setting up for a neighborhood party, and it did not even leave a dent. That is the exact kind of peace of mind you want when you're investing your hard-earned money in outdoor furniture. Well, the prep space on top is simply massive. I had a huge brisket resting on one side while I was actively assembling spicy kebabs on the other. Never once did I feel cramped or crowded during the entire cook. It genuinely feels exactly like bringing your indoor kitchen counters straight out into the fresh air. I mean, the integrated storage cabinets are a massive upgrade over open shelving. The doors closed with a highly satisfying click, and they actually have a proper rubberized seal. I intentionally left my expensive wireless thermometers and some custom dry rubs in there during a heavy rainstorm. Everything was bone dry the very next morning. To sum it up, the Charbroil Medallion series offers incredible long-term reliability. It looks sleek, it functions perfectly, and it solves the annoying problem of outdoor clutter completely. 2. Feasto Outdoor Grill Cart with Storage Cabinet. Sometimes you do not want a massive permanent structure taking up your entire yard. You just want something incredibly functional and totally mobile for weekend cookouts. That is exactly where the Feasto cart completely shines and steals the show. I tested this one extensively during a massive neighborhood block party that lasted all day. The top is a heavy-duty stainless steel that cleans up so incredibly easily. I spilled sticky sweet barbecue sauce and highly acidic citrus juice all over it. A quick, simple wipe with a wet rag, and it looked totally brand new again in seconds. What really sold me instantly was the enclosed storage underneath. Unlike the open shelf nightmares we talked about earlier, this has a beautiful enclosed cabinet. You can easily hide your ugly charcoal bags and greasy drip pans right behind closed doors. Your patio stays looking spotless even when you're right in the middle of a messy, chaotic cook. I mean, the mobility on this specific cart is exactly how it should be done by every manufacturer. They put actual large, heavy wheels on one side and incredibly sturdy legs on the other. You just firmly lift the handle and wheel it around exactly like a premium wheelbarrow. It rolled straight over my thick, uneven lawn without breaking a sweat or tipping over once. It is simply the perfect hybrid for most normal backyards. OuterMust Grill Table Outdoor Kitchen Cabinet. This is it, the absolute peak of backyard prep stations. When I finally got my hands on the OuterMust, I immediately understood why people constantly rave about it online. It effortlessly fixes literally every single problem I have ever had with outdoor cooking. Let me explain exactly why it easily takes the #1 top spot. The design is just unbelievably smart. From top to bottom, they thought of every single little detail you could ever want. There's a built-in paper towel holder, a dedicated spice rack, and strong hooks for all your spatulas. I never once had to walk back into the house because absolutely everything I needed was already right there at my fingertips. You know, the structural integrity on this island is just phenomenal. It is rock solid. I deliberately used a heavy meat cleaver to chop through some tough, thick ribs directly on a cutting board resting on the top. The table did not even flinch or vibrate. It absorbs heavy impact exactly like a professional indoor butcher block. While the storage capacity is essentially a black hole in the absolute best way possible. The cabinet doors open wide, revealing enough deep space to store massive wood pellet bags, huge ceramic serving platters, and multiple heavy grill covers. The weatherproofing is totally flawless, keeping absolutely everything completely protected from rain, snow, and the elements. I mean, if you are seriously passionate about cooking outside, you absolutely need this in your life right now. Outro. That's all for today, folks.